Today, I'm going to show you how to see worldwide trends on X, formerly Twitter, in just a few simple steps. This is super useful if you want to check what people are talking about globally, instead of seeing trends based only on your current location. Whether you're researching topics, following news, or just curious about what's popular around the world, this quick guide will help you switch to worldwide trending content in seconds. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy social media tips. All right, let's jump in. First, open X and make sure you're signed into your account. On the left sidebar, look for the Explore tab, which is the magnifying glass icon. Click that to open the Trends and Search area. Once you're on the Explore page, look toward the top right side of the search bar. You should see a Settings icon, usually shaped like a gear. Click that Settings icon to open your trend preferences. Inside the Settings window, you'll see an option that says Show Content in your current location. This option is what makes X customize trends based on where you are. To see worldwide trends instead, uncheck that box. Once it's turned off, the platform will stop filtering trends by your location, which gives you a more general view of what's trending across the wider platform. After that, simply refresh the page. This step is important because it reloads the trends and applies your new setting. When the page refreshes, you should now see unpersonalized top trends that are not limited to your local area. In many cases, this gives you a much broader view of what is happening globally on X. If you don't immediately see the change, give it a few seconds or refresh once more just to make sure the setting has updated properly. And that's it. You've now learned how to see worldwide trends on X or Twitter. It only takes a moment, but it can completely change the kind of content you see on the platform. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.